Now they are expanding the route here also. This is the route also going to the naval base also.
Naval base?
Yeah. This is called Changi Naval Base.
The Singapore one?
Yeah.
I thought the American is also renting from us, right?
Yeah, that's where they come from. They will be stationed here. They park the
ships, the warships.
The warships.
Are they here already?
Aircraft carrier. No, they come on and off. They always
loading
come.
and offloading.
They come here for the supplies.
But what about Sembawang? There is also a
Sembawang, that one smaller. This one is wide. This one is deep. This one the aircraft carrier can.
Oh, the
park.
aircraft carrier.
Sembawang cannot.
Really?
Sembawang only for smaller ship.
Oh, I see. I thought that day they tried to bomb Sembawang, remember?
Last time.
Last time.
Long time ago.
Yeah, long time ago.
This place they can't run. It's only one road.
They can't run, it's only one
Yeah,
road.
you bomb already, you run away. This just wait for you outside here.
Wait for you outside here, you cannot run away.
It's only one road.
This in Singapore is very easy and straightforward. No left, no right. It's like it's more. Looks like Malaysia. Look like Malacca station or what? Looks like the colour looks like Malaysia.
Malay colour.
When we go Malaysia, right, usually we see this kind of station, train station, Malacca or Langkawi also look like that though.
Over here, car park one day is 20 dirham.
I'm not sure. I never parked here for one whole day.
What is Sanjuni? Aru?
Yep.
Okay. Very good. Okay, thank you.
33, 35.
Advance already. Yeah, the brand new. Okay, thank you. Thank you.
No problem.
Mocha Trump. Thank you for that advice. Yeah, about ice cream. That was
Take
very
care.
good advice.
60,
Come, come.
Thank you, sir.